boys and girls. It's Miss Nurul here, and today we are going to continue with our English lesson, unit number 5, travel. And today we are going to learn how to use prepositions along, across, and through. Okay, now let's start and let's read together. Mr. Porcupine walked along Jones Road. Then he walked across a basketball court. Finally, he walked through a bed of daisies. What a shock Mrs. Porcupine had. As you can see, Mr. Porcupine had daisies all over his body. Okay, now we are going to see how to use the words along, across, and through based on Mr. Porcupine's journey. Alright, for the first one, along, as in sepanjang in bahasa, we use it to talk about a movement in a linear direction, something with length. For example, along the road, along the river, along the line, along the railway track. Okay, something with length. Now for the second one, across, as in menyeberangi in bahasa, we use it to talk about a movement over a surface, something with length and width. For example, across the road, across the room, across the court, across the field. Okay, when we want to go over something, we use across. Now for the last one, through, as in melalui in bahasa, we use it to talk about a movement in an area which has length, width, and height. For example, through the flower bed, through the doorway, through the tunnel, through the crowd of people. Okay, so when there are things in the way, we will use through, as in we want to go through it. Alright, now if you can already understand how to use the 3 prepositions, you can continue with your tasks for the day in your smart workbook, page 33 and 34, and you can also refer to your textbook, page 48, for the notes. Okay? I think that's all for today, everybody. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something. I'll see you again in our next lesson. Until then, take care, stay safe. Goodbye.